How to reduce your stress levels during an IVF cycle. Let's be honest, no one likes going to a doctor and no one likes going through an IVF cycle. I mean, you know that an IVF cycle maximizes your chance of having a baby, but you also know that the success rate is not 100%. It's expensive treatment, the outcome is uncertain, you may need to do 2, 3, 4 cycles without ever being sure whether it's going to work. And you have to go to the clinic, you have to do your blood test, you have to take injections every day. So it's hardly a walk in the park. And of course, patients are worried. They're worried about the process, they're worried about the side effects, they're worried about the complications, they're worried about whether it'll work or not. And along with all these worries, it's completely normal to be anxious about the outcome, because the outcome is never going to be certain, no matter how good the doctor, how good your embryo is, how good your uterus or anything else. Because embryo implantation is a biological process which no doctor in this world can possibly control. And it's this uncertainty which causes anxiety, the unpredictability, and that adds to stress levels. The good news is there is one very simple thing which you can do to reduce your stress levels. And what is that? That is a simple intervention called information therapy. Now, you might find that surprising because doctors don't prescribe information therapy. You can't pop a pill and you can't take an injection which says information therapy. And the good news is that information therapy is something which you can self-prescribe. You can take it for yourself. You don't need a doctor to write it. And the even better news is this information is freely available online. Our website at www.drmalpani.com has tons of information, all of which we have authored, which means it's reliable, updated, trustworthy, and it's written in a simple language with lots of photographs and videos so that patients like you can understand what's involved in an IVF cycle, why it's safe, how to find a good doctor, how to be sure that your doctor is providing you with good quality medical care, how to track your IVF cycle progress. The good news is that if you arm yourself with information therapy, your anxiety levels will go down because you'll know exactly what the next step is. You'll know exactly what the doctor is doing and why the doctor is doing it. The doctor won't be able to hide information for you. And even better, if there is a discrepancy between what is supposed to happen and what is not happening, then instead of the doctor trying to cover up this information or to lie to you, you can ask questions proactively and the doctor will be forced to answer them. Because if you're a well-informed patient, it's very hard for the doctor to take you for a ride. So it's in your best interests to be well informed. And let me also tell you one thing. It's only bad doctors who worry about patients who are well informed because they don't want to answer patients' questions because often they're hiding information from patients. But good doctors will encourage patients to find information for themselves because then these patients have realistic expectations. They understand what's in their hands. They understand what's in the doctor's hands. They understand what's in God's hands so that they understand that the outcome is not certain, but at least the process was done properly. And this is very valuable for their peace of mind. And that's why not only do good doctors actually encourage patients to find out information for themselves, they actually prescribe information therapy and they provide this information for patients either through booklets, videos, leaflets, or on the website. So this is one simple thing which you can do. And even better is once you're armed with information therapy, you'll be able to find the right IVF doctor, someone who respects you as a patient, someone whom you can trust, someone who will be transparent and who will share information with you. So you're in control of your IVF cycle. And this will help to reduce your stress levels considerably. I promise you that.